Look around. Feel it deep in your bones. The strangest kind of chain, invisible but iron strong, wrapping tighter every day. It's called the state, the nation, the system you've been fed since birth. They promise freedom, but all you get is scripted drama, boring rules, power plays, and endless waiting for permission to innovate, to build, to lead. You've been locked inside a world carved by borders and red tape, suffocated by flags and fake loyalty, and it's crushing you. You're furious, aren't you? At how your brightest moves are slowed down by outdated structures designed to protect a broken status quo. At how your ideas, your vision, your drive get diluted by bureaucracy and tribal fights over arbitrary landlines. You hate the frustration of being trapped in a system that claims to serve the people but serves only itself. You see the cracks, the lies about freedom, equality, comfort. The truth is, you're caged, isolated, made to feel powerless when you know you hold the keys. But here's the brutal, unspoken truth. This world won't fix itself. The old games ruin everything. You can't wait for permission from governments or waiting rooms of committees. You have to break free, right now, not tomorrow, not when conditions are perfect, right now. Because deep down, you know the only way forward is to build a new kind of power. A network beyond states and borders, beyond flags and nationalism, a global tribe of founders, investors, risk-takers hungry for real change. Listen closely. This isn't just a dream. It's a strategy. You don't need millions. You don't need to please the masses. What you need are the few, the sharpest minds, the fiercest builders, the people who get that the old world is dead, and the new world won't be born from waiting, but from relentless, aggressive connection. You need to find them. Now. And you need to link with them like your life depends on it. Because it does. Step 1. Stop believing the lies that your power comes from governments or legacy systems. Your true power lies in your ability to create your own rules and forge your own alliances. Reach out beyond your comfort zone. Find founders and visionaries on every continent, every time zone, every industry. Don't waste your energy on politics or trivial tribe wars. Focus on who shares your relentless drive, your refusal to settle for mediocre comfort. Step 2. Build autonomous partnerships that transcend countries, laws, even languages. Use technology not to connect passively, but to build unstoppable machines of collaboration. Create pockets of radical trust where ideas flow freely and every individual is driven by merit, not status. This is your fortress of freedom. Your place where you no longer have to explain yourself to the system or ask for permission. Step 3. Refuse to be limited by inherited identities or fake loyalties. You don't belong to a state. You belong to the future you choose to build. Embrace diversity not as a buzzword, but as your greatest weapon. Different perspectives, extreme variety in background and skill. That's what breaks the chains of the past and builds new realities. Step 4. Commit every day to becoming more than you were yesterday. This network you build is nothing without relentless self-growth. Push past every barrier, mental, social, physical. Break rules that no longer serve you. Demand results from yourself and others. This is not a club for the comfortable. It's a forge for the unstoppable. And finally, with every new connection, every daring project, every breakthrough idea you bring to life within this global network, you chip away at the old world's walls. You don't just replace states, you transcend them. You create a world where freedom isn't a lie told by a flag, but a reality lived by individuals who refuse to be controlled. Your time is now. The system is broken. The old rules are dead. Stop waiting for salvation from borders and states. Become the link, the spark, the fire that sets a new era blazing. Build a global network where the empowered few rise to free the many. The chains will shatter, not with force, but with the unstoppable electric power of connected, relentless individuals who refuse to accept anything less than true freedom. This is your call. This is your rebellion. This is the future that's waiting, if you dare.